Welcome back to Review Diesel, guys. We're talking fuel tanks and specifically increased capacity. So factory fuel tank, good example for you guys running like a 2011 to 2016 Ford F-250 four-door short bed. Little teeny tiny factory fuel tank, like 22 gallons, sucks for long road trips. S&B's got a fuel tank that will literally double that capacity. Little more than double that capacity, actually. So they make them Ford, Chevy, and Dodge, all year makes and models. There's some of the older trucks that aren't covered yet. They're working on covering those. Almost all the new trucks are covered currently. We can't fit one of these monstrosities in here because it would be taller than me by about 2 feet. So S&B sent us this great little front desk display, showing them off, showing them where they're picking up the extra capacity and all these little spots where this is just dead airspace along the frame between the fuel tanks. So they've just protruded out wherever they can. Right here, this is in front of the factory fuel tank, this huge area. So your factory fuel tank's about that big. So you can see how much they're increasing the size. It's a massive increase. Really nice fitment, not a bad install. I think when I was at the shop, we were doing like 3.5 hours on most trucks. There's a few of the older Duramaxes that took a little bit longer, but 3.5 to 5 hour install on these things. Probably not something you want to tackle in the driveway. Trying to get those fuel tanks up in there without some kind of a transmission jack or something, it can be a little bit cumbersome. But find a good local shop, give us a shout, shoot us a message. We'll find you a good local shop wherever you're located. But you're never going to. The only disappointing thing about this is when you actually do have to fill it up, it'll hurt your feelings a little bit. But you know, you're going to double your range on what you've been going. No more in-bed tanks with transfer pumps or janky holes drilled through your bed to try and gravity feed the factory tank. This is just a really great option. Not a whole lot of people getting this kind of capacity out of these aftermarket fuel tanks. So if you're curious about S&B, check them out here on our site, reviewdiesel.com. If you got further questions about it or you don't see one for your truck, shoot us an email. Shoot me an email, vinny@reviewdiesel.com. I'll figure out why we don't have a part number for your truck and try to get you some kind of an ETA on it. But great product, great people, really competitive price point. All your other aftermarket parts work just fine with this. Fuel sumps, the SureFlow fuel sending unit from Fleece will drop right in just like your factory sending unit would. So any performance upgrades you were interested in doing or you may already have will transfer right over to these S&B fuel tanks. So hit us up in the comments if you got questions, looking for answers, looking for other reviews. Like and subscribe, make sure you hit the bell, get notifications whenever we launch a new video, and look forward to seeing you in the next one.